this video, could you please tell us your name, title, company name, and spell out your website address?
Yeah, so my name is Sri Shetty. I'm the CEO of PrinterPrezz, and our company does medical 3D printing, and the website is www.printerprezz.com. That's PrinterPrezz with a Z.
Could you please show the product and tell me in very simple words what your product does?
So we do medical 3D printing. That is, we build things that go in your body or outside your body to help heal you. So we are building parts that doctors use to fix you in case you break a bone or something bad happens to you. So we are the company that builds parts that go in your body or outside your body to fix you using 3D printing.
Why did you start this company?
So historically there has been a lot of gap between building parts for medicine and actually manufacturing them. And this has been challenging because medical and manufacturing takes too long to make good medical parts. In PrinterPrezz, we have half the company are doctors and half are engineers. So I built this company so we can make better parts, better medical devices quicker, so we don't have to wait a long time before having to fix people that get hurt.
How did you actually get started with this company?
I was at a conference and I met a doctor. The doctor actually wanted to start a company to build medical devices. I wanted to start a company to build medical devices. He knew medicine, I knew manufacturing, so we got together and started a company. Neither one of us was looking to start a company, but today we are here with half the company with doctors, half with engineers.
How did you find your first customers?
The first customer was interesting. We actually built a medical 3D printing device and we went to a conference. We were not looking for the customer, but the customer had a need. He had read about 3D printing and saw what we built and suddenly was interested. So he came to us and asked us about the devices. So that's how we met our first customer.
How do you plan to grow your company?
So we are actually today in California. We are growing. Today we support all the UC, Stanford and other big hospitals. We are going to other parts of the US to become bigger in the US. And then we are going to Asia so we can support all the people in India, China, Singapore, etc.
How can we, who are in the audience, help you start your startup company?
I think the biggest thing we need in Fremont is a maker program. I think maker programs are all around the country where kids get taught how to build stuff using 3D printing. I think getting groups like AlligatorZone to know more about 3D printing is key in us starting a maker program out here, which will help promote 3D printing and other high-end technologies among kids, which will help bring a lot of new technologies to California.
Thank you again for taking time to be with us at AlligatorZone.
Thank you for having me here.